Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code, this video file cannot be played. Error code 2330011 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection. So open fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution, which is to clear the browser cache and cookies. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, then click on the bin symbol, change the time range to all time, and then click on clear now. The next solution is to update the browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and feedback, and select about Microsoft Edge. And the last one is to reset the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you can select settings. Now go to the reset settings tab, select this option here, select reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.